Ian did a great job of showing us the progression of going from holding the racket at the throat to now holding the racket at the bottom of the racket and having the racket in this great position where we're brushing up on the ball. The next level, the next step is starting with your racket up. The reason why we want to start with the racket up, it gives the ball or gives the racket more momentum to build up more speed to actually generate a little bit more topspin when it comes back around. So it's really important that in our racket up, that as we do this action, that we focus on giving ourselves time to get the racket under the ball. This is the #1 key to still creating the shape and having that sound of creating spin, is making sure that the racket has time to get under the ball or get relative to the ball so it can brush up. One big mistake a lot of players make is that they start to swing and they don't have the time and the ball gets really flat. There, you lose the arc, you lose the sound, and you lose the shape. So in this progression, what you want to really focus on is holding the ball out and letting the ball drop, but giving yourself time to let the racket get under. You can really tell how if I hold it here, I'm not going to have the same amount of time and the ball goes in the net. By holding the ball a little higher, it gives you enough time that after the ball bounces, that I can let my racket drop, see relative where the ball is going to be, and I can still create that nice shape and spin on the ball. The action in the hand is simply relaxing and letting the racket drop to this position. So what I recommend doing is just going out and shadowing one time or even 2 times first, just working on this action of dropping the racket, and then after you shadow 2 times, actually going out now, giving yourself time, and creating the racket drop.